looking for food. You ain't getting it here.
I love that one, so cute, but I'm just afraid to pet it. I'm afraid to pet it.
Oh my God, I just want to take you home. I've never seen baby goats before.
I'm too afraid to touch it.
Why? They're not gonna bite you. They probably don't have any teeth. Yeah, did you see that, babe?
Hey, I'm all for it, but I told you we're gonna eat it.
That's mean. Oh, what's wrong? Did he lick you?
Daddy doesn't have any.
We don't have any cash. Oh.
Yeah, you want one? Because the babies turn into those.
Oh, man. Okay, never mind then. Look at that little head. Oh. Oh, wait a minute.
Like, if I got her, I would name her Emily.
Yeah, be careful. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, you're so cute. Look at your little baby horns. Hey y'all, so we are here. Come on, Maddie. So we are here at the circus. Well, we just left out the circus and it was really good. It's very entertaining. I couldn't record inside because it said no video recording. Honestly, I don't even know I'm supposed to be recording out here, but I don't see any signs. We brought the kids out because we wanted to So we brought the kids out to see the circus, but now it's time to get home. Aww.
He really wants to ride this.
I mean, I have $1. Hey, bud. Hi. Huh? That's Vanilla. Aww. Hey, Vanilla.
Look at her. He's a natural.
That's my little cowboy. Came to Texas, don't know how to act. Hey, baby. Aww. Our kids are Texans now. Oh, Daddy, you gotta give us a ranch now.
I think I might be a farmer when I grow up.
You wanna be a farmer?
Give me some lemonade.
Yeah, food does the trick. Aw, it's okay, bud.
I want to wash my hands before I eat it.
I have hand sanitizer, so.
I'm not gonna touch anyone's hand or anything right now.
Okay, good girl.
But when I get a vanilla, I'm gonna wash her super good. I'm gonna take an hour to wash her.
Yeah, there's a lot of work involved with having a horse.
Yeah. I mean, they're more work than dogs.
Yeah. You gotta like brush them.
Yep.
I like
you have to wash them with the hose.
What's going on? So what has been going on, you guys? I'm so sorry that I have not been vlogging. I've just been getting ready for our trip. It's spring break, yes. So we are going on a trip and you guys will see. Also with the virus going on and stuff, I've just been watching, monitoring, and just, you know, following along to the point where it started to kind of like get to me. So hope you guys are being safe out there. I hope you guys have enough water, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, all the necessities, like not, you know, just like being serious, like, because obviously this thing is serious and it's spreading. So I just want everybody to be safe out there. So I have a few videos that I can post while I'm gone. So those will be up, but if you guys would like to see vlogs instead, because I know a few of you guys haven't been messaging me. So I saw a comment also saying that you guys missed my vlogs. I know, but it's a lot, you guys. I guess let me finish packing and then I'll sit down and chat with you guys to explain why I haven't been vlogging like that. But it's nothing bad, it's nothing personal. Yeah, the kids are about to take a nap, so I'm about to try to finish cleaning up, packing up, so that way I can rest. And then the big guy's gonna take us to the airport. He has to work, so he's gonna be here. And yeah, so hope you guys doing well, and I'll see you guys later. This makeup case, I got it from Amazon. It holds everything. It has like the little sections where you can, you know, if you want to put large stuff, you can, or if you want to like put small individual things. I love it. They actually have a checker print one that I really like. It looks like the Louis Vuitton one, but yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. So I think I might get that as well because these things are so convenient. But yeah, here are the little pieces. So these are the little pieces here. And you could just, you know, like I say, you could put it in here to separate everything. So
But until I remove this so I can put it in. Done?
Still gotta do my nails, gotta put my press on nails. And I gotta cut your nails too. Gotta cut Tristan's nails.
Look at this. That's
Aww,
tiny.
That's cute.
It's actually only this tiny.
It's a tiny pup. So I still have a lot to do in the next 2 hours. So let's see how I can do it. You guys, so we are here at our destination. So we made it safely. Thank God for safe travels, and thank God for healthy travels as well, especially with everything going on. Just thank God for bringing us here safely, but also keeping us healthy and, you know, keeping everybody else around us healthy. So can't complain about that. But yes, we are officially on spring break, so I'm sure I'll have plenty of footage and you guys will be able to see my adventures because I'm going on a road trip that I'm super excited about. I haven't done a road trip by myself in a while, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm so sorry that I haven't really been posting vlogs. So the main reason, like I said, I've told you guys that I barely do anything. First and foremost, like, it's just a routine. I take the kids to school, work from home, go grocery shopping, this and that. So it's like pretty much the same. But also I told you guys that I've been working on something, and I didn't want to speak on it prematurely because I know how, like, you know, I speak on something and then it's like, oh my gosh, something happens. But I feel like if I just kind of put it in an atmosphere and hopefully things continue to work out, and hopefully this will inspire you guys to do the same, then I've done my job. So pretty much I have been working on opening my own shop. I'm coming out with my own merch and my own hairline, which I'm super excited about because those are two things that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I just didn't know how to go about it, and I didn't know how to, I guess, create the merch without having to go through a middleman, because you guys know I used to sell shirts on here, but it was through a company that partnered with YouTube, and of course YouTube gets their cut, and then the company gets their cut, and then, you know, you have to wait to get the product, or you have to, or the customer gets the product directly from them. But I want to go above and beyond to create the merch, to label the merch, to customize and brand it properly to my branding properly. So I've just been doing a lot of research that I've been learning on how to structure a business. I told you how I went to business school to learn how to structure, have your own business the right way, because Uncle Sam, I ain't got time for you, okay? So how to go about properly forming an LLC and stuff like that. I've just been doing a lot of research, a lot of trial and error, a lot of just preparing, and the preparation has been time consuming, which is why I haven't really been having the time to vlog. I've been maintaining my prayer life, my family life, and then also my blog, my YouTube, my Instagram. So in the midst of trying to start a new business venture, I have been trying to maintain what I have already established, which has been time consuming, but I find it kind of nice that I'm able to balance it, which is shocking to me, because when I have a lot on my plate, I just get overwhelmed, which I have had moments of overwhelmingness, but I've been pushing through because these are things that I'm passionate about. And you know, especially when it comes to consumers and, you know, people buying your product, I want to make sure that my stuff is legit. I want to make sure everything's top notch. Like, I'm such a perfectionist, and I just have to make sure that everything from the branding to how you get your packages, all of that has to be, I just want it to be exceptional, above and beyond what I'm capable of doing. And so far, I'm so proud. I've been wearing my own hair and trying out different hairs that I want in my collection and everything. So far I have it set up. It's just that I'm trying to decide as far as like who I want to supply my products, you know what I'm saying? Because there's some that have been great and there's some that have been not so great, and I don't want to sell or give you guys anything that is not perfect. You know, I don't want to give you guys anything that's not satisfying or that's not above satisfactory. As far as like me creating my merch, it's like that. Like, everything I create, like, it comes straight from my laptop, comes straight from my office. Everything is like made from me. No middleman, no other person. Everything is from me. No, it's from the heart and it's straight from my hands. So that's what makes it special. That's pretty much why I haven't been vlogging or posting vlogs like that, because it's something that I've always wanted to do. And although I'm afraid and, you know, I'm prolonging it because I just want everything to be perfect, I just have to do it. So not only has it been time consuming, but it has been financially draining. Like, I literally used my last sponsorship check. I used that to launch this thing, and, you know, just testing out hair, testing out shirts and stuff like that, buying material. Like, it has been financially draining, but that's how business goes. You have to spend money to make money, and I'm too prideful to, you know, ask for support or GoFundMe and anything. You know, I was thinking about it, but I was like, no, because God has provided all of my needs. My husband has been absolutely supportive. My mom has been very supportive. So, you know, I have what I need, but for me to have the best products, to have the best hair, to have, you know, tagless items, to make sure that I'm able to sew my tags on. It's been draining financially, but I can't complain. I see the vision's coming clearly. When I had my photo shoot with my photographer, we shot the merch, we shot everything, and it looks so professional. Like, I love how my site looks. I love how my site is going to look with my product. Like, everything is just coming to life, and I'm super excited. So I just want to tell you guys that I don't want anybody to think like something's wrong or you know what's going on. It's just this shop has been very time consuming, but I love that I've been taking my time because, like I said, I'm not playing around when it comes to people's money. I want to make sure that when you spend your money, you get good quality-ish, okay? And I've been taking this very seriously, and I'm super excited. I should be launching soon. I just have to get the rest of my shots on my site, and then yeah, and then buy a few things for the official launch, and then yeah. So if you guys would like to see a video on how I started my business with a little bit of money, how to go about you know, getting supplies, finding vendors, because I know a lot of people, when it comes to hair business, you know, they have a vendors list and stuff like that. Personally, I have not bought a vendors list. I feel like I should, because I'm sure there's somebody that's a better vendor than mine, but the one vendor that I do have, I absolutely love their hair. So I would love to share that process with you guys if you are interested. But I'm taking this entrepreneurship thing really seriously, because at this point in my life, you know, with me not being able to get a corporate job and me having the ability to work from home, I don't want to take that for granted. So I just want to make sure that, you know, not only am I producing and serving my audience and my consumers with good quality products, but that, you know, when it comes to structuring a business, I'm doing it the right way. I'm making sure that I'm making a profit, because I got kids to take care of, I got bills. Yes? So yeah, I'm not playing around, and I gotta take it seriously, because nobody's gonna give you things, nobody's gonna give you handouts, nobody's going to really truly support you unless you support yourself. And when they see you taking your stuff seriously, then people are going to want to take you seriously. So that's why I asked you guys if you would like to see behind the scenes, or you know, if you guys would like to have videos on how to start a business and everything. I would love to do that, because I know starting a business is scary, and like I said, it's financially draining, but there are ways to do it, especially with little money, okay? So like I said, if you guys would like videos like that, give me a big thumbs up, let me know, and I'll be sure to do those for you guys. And if you guys would like to see behind the scenes on how I create my merch, and how I label my bundles, label my wigs and stuff like that, I would definitely do that for you guys as well. So if you like to support me, get your coins ready, because the launch is coming and I'm super excited about it. And I gotta stop waiting for things to be perfect and just leap and trust that God has got my back, because he hasn't failed me yet, and I pray that he never fails me, which he won't, because he's just that good to me. So yes, so that's been consuming my life, but I would love to incorporate entrepreneur vlogs in my vlogs as well and everything. So yeah, super excited, y'all. Yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Stay warm, stay safe, stay sanitized, and have a blessed one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.